Hey there, today I will be guiding you through how can you use Jasper to grow more on YouTube. With the help of this video, you will see how Jasper will be able to help you in your YouTube channel and making you channel more grow. And how can you get more ideas for your channel. So I am on the homepage of Jasper, and unfortunately Jasper don't have any apps, which especially for YouTube, like it has for SEO and for blog post. If I click on the option app, here you will find multiple apps which in Jasper for Facebook post, blog post, landing page, and Instagram caption, but Jasper don't have any app which help you to get the ideas for you channel. So what can we do? We'll ask to Jasper, how can I grow up on YouTube, or what are the trending topics on YouTube? So with the help of those, I can monetize my channel easily. So therefore, I will type here and will ask to Jasper, I want to start a YouTube channel, or if you have a channel, then mention the name, and ask the same thing. After it, hit enter and wait for the Jasper response. And below you will see some contents suggested by Jasper, and these are popular and have good monetization potential. The first one is tech reviews, and in this you can review gadgets, apps, or software, or even you can create how-to videos for tech-related problems. This one is personal finance and investment. In this you will share tips on saving money, budgeting, and investing. Health and fitness is also a very popular niche on YouTube. This one is educational. Teach a skill like coding, graphic designing, or cooking, so you have to choose your niche. And then, again, we will ask you Jasper to help us so we do better in the specific niche. Just like, I will do this, review gadgets as or software. So therefore, I will scroll down, and here I'm going to say, write a script for tech review video. After it, I will hit on this arrow. Now here you will see a complete script based on my video title. So it's a way by which is you can get the help of Jasper for making your YouTube channel more successful. And that's it.